Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making apple pancakes. I got a request to make a pancake that doesn't require bananas. I have a friend and her husband is allergic to bananas, so I thought, let's put apples in instead. So this is going to be apple pancakes and super quick and easy. Everything goes into the Vitamix. As you know, I'm a full-time RN and I follow the Starch solution, and I was able to lose 15 pounds eating that way. And this recipe fits in perfect with the Starch solution. It's all low fat, high carb, no oil. It's perfect. If you're not familiar with the Starch solution, it's a program that was developed by Dr. John McDougall. It is a starch-centered diet, and it is low fat, high carb. And if you want more information, I will leave a link to his book, The Starch Solution, in my description box. On my channel, you will find whole food, plant-based recipes that are quick and easy, good for you, good for animals, and good for the planet. So if all that sounds good to you, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, which is every Tuesday and Saturday. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more plant-based inspiration. Now on to these apple pancakes. So we're gonna throw all the ingredients into the Vitamix here. We'll start with 2 cups of oats. I'm using gluten-free oats. Next we're gonna add some baking powder, cinnamon, nutmeg. I will put exact measurements in the description box. Gonna add a little bit of vanilla, maybe about a teaspoon. Then we're gonna add in 1 flax egg. Then we're gonna add in 4 ounces of applesauce. Lastly, we're going to add some plant milk. I've got 1.5 cups here. I'm going to start with about 1 cup and see how the consistency is. I may use more or less depending on the consistency. So let's whip these up. And we're just going to blend till smooth. So I have a nice hot skillet here, and I'm just going to pour it right from the Vitamix. And then we're just going to let these cook until they get bubbly, and then we will flip them. So take a few minutes on each side. And as you notice, no oil was used in the pan here, so you need a good non-stick pan. So here we go, all done. I topped them with some of my Date Lady smoked maple syrup. Any kind of maple syrup will do. Chopped up some apples. This is an Envy apple. If you haven't tried an Envy apple, so good. What's your favorite apple? I'd love to know. Envy is my new favorite. There's so many good ones out there, but Envy's are really good right now. So I'm gonna give this a taste. You know, you just can't beat a good pancake. So satisfying, and this is definitely a good one. Whole food, low fat, high carb, just what you want in your diet. So that's all for today. Just another simple, quick recipe that you can put in your arsenal. These are great on the weekend. They're so quick, they're so easy. All goes into the blender. Just pour it right from the blender into your pan. Couldn't be easier. Your family's gonna love it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Until next time, thank you. And super quick and easy, everything goes into the Vitamix. And then If you're not familiar with the Starch solution, it was a program developed by Dr. John McDougall. It is a starch-centered diet, and if you'd like if you're not familiar with the Starch solution, it was a program. That sun is so dang bright. Okay.